What's up guys? This is Rong-Hao from TU Eindhoven. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make interactive toys at home with the OpenNFCSense API. The first episode is about things that rotate. What you need for this tutorial are things that rotate, such as a fidget spinner, an Arduino Uno board, a cheap RC522 NFC reader, and a few NFC tags that you can get from electronic shops online. You also need a PC or laptop with Arduino processing and OpenNFCSense for processing library installed. Your Arduino board should have the Arduino code uploaded as well. If I haven't got it ready, please check episode 0 after this video. Now, let's move to processing. Check the first example single tag rotation. Before we start, we open the sketch folder by choosing the menu Sketch, Show Sketch Folder, or simply hit Command K or Control K on your keyboard. There's a file in the Data folder called tagprofile.csv. Let's open it with the text editor and put it next to the processing sketch. Now, we run a sketch. I put the NFC tag sticker on the wing of a fidget spinner. Of course, the software doesn't know it. So we look at the console. There's a sequence of numbers displayed when I scan the tag. It's a 4-byte universal ID of this tag. What we're going to do is to copy the first line of the tagprofile.csv and pass it to the bottom. Replace the old UID with the new one and give the new tag a new name. Okay. Remember to save this file. Then we start the sketch. Now it can recognize the spinner and its spinning speed. You can find another fidget spinner and repeat the same things again. And then you will get it recognized as another fidget spinner. You can use it to detect the speed of other things that also spin, like an electrical fan with an NFC tag attached to it. The speed of rotation can be captured even at its full speed. You may also sense the speed of a wheel of a toy car, or make a lottery wheel for the ones who can't decide what to eat tonight. Okay guys, that's a wrap. I hope you got some ideas to start your own project. Feel free to share what you made in the comments below. We've just introduced the simplest way of using the NFCSense API, but there's still a lot to explore. Feel free to check our website and have a look at our OpenNFCSense CHI 2021 paper to get a preview. Next episode will be about making educational toys with Lego bricks. You may subscribe to my channel and follow it when it's out. See you in the next video. 头发跟你 here， 下次见。